Hello, welcome to Power Basic. My name is Caroline, and today we're going to do a total body conditioning workout. At Power Plate, our philosophy is my body, my time. So during our workout today, we're going to focus on your body by doing a foundational workout designed for the new Power Plate user. Afterwards, you should feel energized, relaxed, and healthy. I'm going to do all of this in only 25 minutes. That's definitely my time. All you will need today is your Power Plate machine with the straps attached to the front. And it's probably not a bad idea to have some drinking water close by as well. If at any time you need to take a rest, please don't hesitate to do so. Our workout today will be divided into 3 different sections: warm-up, strength and power, and massage and relaxation. We'll begin with 3 warm-up stretch exercises. Your settings should be 30 Hz for 30 seconds on a low amplitude. And if you're using a My3 model, your machine is automatically set to 35 Hz. But if this is too much for you initially, you may add 1 or more of the provided mats to absorb some of the machine's vibration before it reaches your body. Otherwise, continue as normal. Are you ready to start this program? You've got your water ready, machine set to go, and that energy ready to put into your first workout on Power Plate. Good luck. Let's get started with the kneeling hip and quad stretch. Place your knee in the middle of the plate, grasp the handle, and push your hips forward until the first point of tension is felt. Now press start. You should feel a stretch in the front of the thigh and the quadriceps. We want to make sure we are stretching and working both sides of the body evenly, so we need to switch sides and repeat on the other leg. Press the repeat button. Remember, place your knee in the middle of the plate, grasp the handle, and push your hips forward until the first point of tension is felt. If you're experiencing a slight tingling sensation in your head, this is normal when beginning vibration training. To help alleviate this feeling, try repositioning yourself while maintaining correct posture. Now that we have the front of the leg ready to go, we need to warm up the back of the leg. The one leg hamstring stretch begins by putting one foot up on the Power Plate with your toes pointed up. Make sure your hips and feet are square, place your hands at your side, and don't lock the back knee. Moving from the hips, bend forward, keeping your back flat until you start to feel the stretch in your hamstring. Press repeat. At any time, you may extend deeper into the stretch. Also, if you are finding it hard to maintain your balance, use the handle for support. Switch legs. Remember, toe up, move from the hip, bend forward, and press repeat. Moving on, our final stretch is the 90-90 stretch. We begin by kneeling next to the power plate, place a bent leg on the platform, reach up and press repeat. Switch legs. Press repeat. Bend the leg on the platform and feel the stretch in the outer thigh and the hip. That concludes our warm-up. We're now ready to begin the strength and power portion of your workout. These will be performed in a circuit, which means completing one set of each exercise before repeating all of the exercises a second time round. Now the settings for this entire circuit should be either 30 or 35 Hertz. If you're new to acceleration training, please remain at 30 Hertz. We'll be doing each exercise for 30 seconds on a low amplitude. We will start with the split squat. Place one foot on the platform and the other behind the plate on the floor. Press start. Bend at the knees and ankles, then lower your body slowly so you feel tension in your thigh. If you need to hold the handle for support, please do. Switch legs. Press repeat. Remember to bend the hips, knees and ankles, lowering your back knee towards the ground. Okay. Let's move into the standing two-arm pull. Grab your strap handles, press repeat, take a giant step back, squeezing your shoulder blades together, keeping constant tension in the straps. Be sure not to use your body weight to pull the straps and make sure it's actually the muscles that are doing the work. Hold a slight squat with the legs and keep the back straight. And relax. Okay guys, well done. You're doing a really, really good job. Now back to a leg exercise, the deep squat. You can hold the handles lightly if support is needed. Sit back by bending at the hips, knees and ankles. Press repeat. Make sure to keep your back flat, your abs tight, and push your weight back through your heels. Okay, the last exercise in our strength circuit is the static push-up. Press repeat. Flatten your back and lower your body into a position that you feel you can control for the entire 30 seconds. This can be done from your knees or from your toes. Make sure to keep your abdominals tight to protect the spine and avoid letting your hips sink down. Our first circuit is complete. Grab a quick drink if you need it and get ready for our second time through. We'll begin with the split squat. So let's get one foot on the platform, keeping your back foot on the floor. Remember to bend at the hips, knees and ankles, making sure to slowly lower your body. Press start. Switch legs. Press repeat. Let's go into our standing two-arm pull. Grab your straps, press repeat and take a giant step back and into that rowing position. Hold that position with your shoulder blades squeezed together, keeping constant tension in the straps as before. Remember to hold a slight squat with the legs and keep your back straight. And relax. Hope you're all enjoying yourselves. Just keep it going. Fantastic work. Keep going. Next up is the deep squat. Step up onto the platform and sit back by bending at the hips, knees and ankles. Press repeat. Make sure to keep your back flat and your weight back into your heels. Well done. The push-up is the last exercise of the circuit. Remember that this can be done from your knees or from your toes. Press repeat. Kneel down in front of the plate with your hands shoulder width apart on the platform. Flatten your back and lower your body. Make sure to keep your abdominals tight to protect the spine and avoid letting your hips sink down. That's a brilliant job, so grab a drink if you need one. And let's get ready for our next section, which is the core and pillar exercises. These will be performed in a superset. That means we will do each exercise and then repeat them in order to complete the superset. Let's begin with the glute bridge. Press repeat. Now lie on the ground with your feet up on the platform, bottom tucked up and close to the platform. Press your heels into the machine while pushing the hips upward. Make sure to squeeze your glutes and lift from the hamstring. Into the front plank. Just like the push-up hold, this can be done from your knees or from your toes. Press repeat and place those bent elbows on the plate with your forearms in contact with the machine. Engage your abs, glutes and hamstrings, creating a straight line from your neck to your feet. Make sure to press your weight back into your heels to elongate those abdominals. Okay, well done. Just keep going for a couple more seconds. 3, 2, 1, now relax. Are you still enjoying this? Are you still keeping your energy levels high? You're hydrated? Let's keep going. Now, because this is a superset, we're going to go right back to our glute bridge. Press repeat and start with your feet up on the platform again, bottom tucked up near the platform. Press your heels into the machine while pushing the hips upwards as high as you can. Make sure to squeeze your glutes and lift from the hamstring. Now to our last exercise, the front plank. We're nearly there. Press repeat. Remember again, this can be done from your knees or your toes. Place bent elbows onto the plate. Keep your abdominals tight and don't let your hips drop. Well done, the hard part is over. So now, after breaking down the entire body during the previous 2 portions of our exercise, we're going to piece it back together again. The settings for this part of your workout need to be at 35 Hz for 60 seconds. You can select to use either the high or the low amplitude, depending on how comfortable you are with the vibration. Okay, we'll begin with the quad and hip massage. Press start. You want to position yourself with the front of your thighs on the plate. You can prop yourself up on a step or a cushion to be more comfortable, or just support yourself with your forearms. Make sure to have your upper body off of the machine and try to stay relaxed. Bend your knees to put more emphasis on the quadriceps if you feel. Now turn yourself over for the calf massage. Press repeat. And try to put as much of the lower leg on the platform as comfortable. Feel free to rotate your hips to emphasize the inner and outer legs, so really get into those parts, but that feel stiff and in need of a good massage. We are nearly finished, so finally, the lateral hip and thigh massage. We're going to change the settings here to 30 seconds, since we'll be doing each leg separately. Press start. Lie your outer thigh on the platform and bend your other knee over and across. Keep the lower leg straight. Now it may be more comfortable to support yourself with your hand on the floor. You can slightly rotate your body to emphasize different areas of the hip and the legs if you prefer, depending on what feels more stiff. Now switch legs. Press repeat. Lie sideways on the platform, bending that top knee across and down again, leaving the opposite leg straight. Congratulations on completing your Power Plate workout. Remember that if you're just starting to train on the Power Plate, you can feel and see results doing this workout just 3 times a week. You've done your part towards a better body. Now go and enjoy the rest of your day.